In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic value in Power BI Desktop. By the end, you'll know how to place live, data-driven text right on your report, so your titles, captions, and callouts automatically reflect filters, slicers, and the latest numbers. First, click on the text box where you want the dynamic text to appear. If you don't have one yet, add a new text box from the Insert menu so you have a place to display your message. A text box is perfect for things like a KPI statement, a dynamic title, or a summary that changes as your users interact with the report. Once the text box is added, click inside it to enter editing mode. You'll know you're in editing mode when you see the text editing toolbar on screen. If the toolbar isn't visible, make sure the text box is selected and that you've clicked into the text area itself. This toolbar is where you can format fonts, sizes, and most importantly, add your dynamic value. On the toolbar, click the Value button to add a dynamic value. This tells Power BI that part of your text should be pulled directly from your data model. It's ideal for inserting a measure, a total, a selected category, or any field you want to update automatically. Now type what and where the value will come from. As you begin typing, a drop-down will appear with suggested options based on your model. Use the search to quickly find the right measure or field, then select it and click Save. You'll see a token or placeholder appear in your text box, representing the dynamic value. When you view or interact with the report, that placeholder resolves into the actual value, updating as your filters and slicers change. A quick tip here: measures typically produce the cleanest dynamic outputs for numbers, while columns can be great for category names or selected items. And there you go. You've successfully inserted dynamic text. Read it back to confirm it reflects your current filter context and watch how it changes when you adjust a slicer or cross-filter a visual. This ensures your audience always sees accurate, up-to-date information without manual edits. Now, just format the dynamic text to match all your other text. Adjust the font, size, color, and alignment so it blends seamlessly with your report's design. If needed, add surrounding static words to make a complete sentence, like total sales, followed by the dynamic value. That's all. You've created clean, responsive, and professional dynamic text in Power BI Desktop.